everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you can properly set up your fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy device, and also a trick that you're able to unlock your phone super quick. So the first thing I do want to show you here is that I just unlocked it with my right thumb, and now I unlocked it with my left thumb. But one thing I do want to show you is, let's say we go right inside of the settings, and you scroll all the way down to your biometrics and security. Now inside of here, when you go inside of fingerprints, you can see that there was only one fingerprint added. So I'm going to go right inside these settings here, type in my PIN. And once the PIN is typed in, you can see that there is actually only one profile. Now I'm going to call these profiles. I am not going to call these, fingerprints, because this is my profile. I set it up with 2 thumbs. So this way I'd be able to unlock my phone super quick. So some people might be stating like, oh, well, maybe you should set up 2 profiles for the same thumb because then it would unlock faster. But honestly, that's not how it works. The way that it unlocks faster is that it has fewer scans to look through for a match. So meaning if I have one profile set up with 2 thumbs, all it's needing to do is looking through 16 different images instead of 32 or anything else. So when you go through and you set up your fingerprint, let's say that you're starting from fresh. Let's say I don't have one on there right now. This is where I'm going to go through with my right thumb. Then I'm going to rotate it to another area. So you're really going to set up your thumb for almost however you set the phone down or how you hold on to the phone. So for this one, I am going to hold on to it. So I just used my right thumb 5 different times. Now I'm going to go through with my left thumb. Again, I'm going to do it 5 different times. I'm going to place it in really all the areas that I hold the phone or I set the phone down. Now you just go through back and forth, back and forth. So this way, what's going to happen is when you go through and you unlock your phone, you can see that every single time that I tap the screen, it's logging a new scan. So that's a scan, and the other one is a scan. And then now that it's added in there, you can tap on that one right there. You can rename it. So I'm just going to do Jimmy2. So then this way I know later on I can actually just remove it from there. But it's actually really nice. So when you actually set up your fingerprint, make sure that you don't, press and hold on it for a long time. It's more of a press and let go. So some people think that when you unlock your phone, you would actually have to do this. You would have to keep your phone on there for an extended amount of time like this. But you really don't have to do that. Simply just go through, give it a press and lift up. And that's all you'd have to do. So in this way, again, you'd have one profile that you're able to use 2 different thumbs. So if you have multiple people in your family, maybe this is a tablet that everybody uses in the household, maybe it's a cell phone that you and your spouse uses, you can have one profile for you and then one profile for them, but there's actually 4 thumbs, 4 scans saved, going through less of those images to find a match to unlock your phone. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit and subscribe right over here on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of